High oleic soybean oil will gain back some of the markets that were lost due to trans fat labeling and regulations. I'm Richard Galloway, edible oils expert and consultant to QUALISOY. The Food and Drug Administration has revoked the generally recognized as safe GRAS status of partially hydrogenated oil. Consequently, all partially hydrogenated oil must be removed from food products by June of 2018. The edible oil and food industries have already removed over 75% of the trans fats from the American diet. The remainder is difficult to remove simply because of functionality requirements and cost. The soybean industry has a variety of immediate solutions to partially hydrogenated oil, which includes fully hydrogenated soybean oil, which contributes no trans fats, interesterified soybean oil, and of course high oleic soybean oil. High oleic soybean oil is a domestic alternative and a relatively low saturated fat alternative to the imported oils that are being used today to replace partially hydrogenated oil. This oil promises to be the year in, year out, more consistent supply of a high stability oil for frying, baking, and other high stability uses. Soybean volume produced from year to year is relatively consistent, so food companies can depend upon soybean oil. The use of soybean oil tends to produce a flavor in the food product that U.S. consumers have become used to and find favorable. So with high oleic soybean oil, we have the familiar flavor of food products produced with the use of soybean oil. We have a supply chain that's highly manageable, and we have a production of the oil that's consistent and can be counted on year in and year out. The broad array of crushers, refiners, and edible oil brokers that we've interviewed are very enthusiastic about the advent of high oleic soybean oil. We were really gratified at the response that we received in that everyone was enthusiastic about high oleic soybean oil. Everyone felt like high oleic soybean oil was a tool that they need in their toolbox.